Peekaboo! I am coming to you from the capital of America's Dairyland. I'm in Madison, Wisconsin. So the Capitol was built in multiple phases, as it started in 1906 is when the construction started and ended in 1917. Lots of things to do here in Madison, Wisconsin. Back in the 90s, it ranked as Money Magazine's most livable city multiple times. And I'm also on what they call an isthmus, which is basically like an island. And I'm surrounded by two bodies of water rather. I'm surrounded by Lake Mendota and Lake Monona. Unfortunately, I can't get into the Capitol right now unless I go for a ride with the police because it's closed. So I will show you some quick pictures here above my shoulder so you can see what it looks like in there. And maybe in a future video I'll come back to Madison, Wisconsin and we'll be able to take a look at the inside of the Capitol. But today, it's a beautiful day here in South Central Wisconsin. Let's check out downtown Madison, Wisconsin and some of the neat surroundings here by the Capitol. It is finally a beautiful spring-like day here in southern Wisconsin. The climate here in the spring, it really plays with you because you'll have days in April where the high is upper 30s, maybe 40. Then you'll get days like today where it's in the low 60s. And it is just a beautiful day to be outside. You can see the beautiful Capitol behind me. I've always thought that Wisconsin has one of the neatest looking capitals. There's all kinds of beautiful buildings out here as well. Check out this church behind me. There are always all kinds of fun events that go on during the warmer months here in Madison and around the Capitol. They've got a regular thing on the weekends called the Farmers Market, and it has to be one of the biggest here in Wisconsin, and a huge variety of different kinds of farm food, fresh vegetables, and some fruits come in here, and even some probably things you wouldn't find at an everyday farmer's market. And they've got that here on the Capitol Square. Then, of course, they've got what they call Concerts on the Square. I believe that's every Wednesday during the summer months, and you will see things from orchestras to bands and so forth like that. And a lot of people will make an evening out of it, come out here, enjoy the weather, enjoy the music, sit on a blanket. Also on Labor Day weekends here in Madison, they've got the Taste of Madison, which you've got all the restaurants in the area that come here and present some of their food, where you could taste some of the stuff on their menu. And they've got some incredible bands and acts that come out here. So if you're in the country, maybe it's on this side. On the other side of the Capitol, maybe it's rock and roll. That's all Labor Day weekend for the Taste of Madison. So I'm not sure if you're able to see this in the frame here, but right back there is one of the lakes, Lake Mendota, and that is the biggest lake here in Madison. They also have some fun things on the lake shores as well here, so we'll check that out. Now, it is hard to tell here because I'm just kind of going in a big circle around the Capitol building, but I'm slowly coming on the other side of it from where I did the peekaboo. I guess the only way that you can really tell right now is the way the sun is setting on the other side. So I guess you could say one of the state rodents is the badger. Oh, they'll love me saying that. I could see the comments below exploding. So one of the state animals in Wisconsin is known as the badger state. I have yet to see a badger around here, so we'll have to settle for Mr. Squirrel there. At the moment, I'm not going in the back of this yet. Video's not over. Also here in Madison, it is the home of UW-Wisconsin, the Madison branch. UW has campuses all over the state, but the biggest one again being right here in Madison, which has a student population base this year of just under 48,000 people. Hi there. So on top of the Capitol here, hey, there we go. You might be able to see her, the statue up there. That's actually Lady Wisconsin. And she was completed in 1914 at a cost of over $20,000. And across the street here, away from the Capitol, I want to show you one of the theaters, as there's a lot of entertainment here in downtown Madison, Wisconsin. And let's see if we can do this the first time without me getting splat. Because if that happens, it'll be a very short video today. So one of the theaters that goes way back a long time ago is the Majestic Theater. One of the things that you may know about Wisconsin is, other than being America's Dairyland, is they love their drinks out here. Their beers, their wines, their alcohol. And when you combine America's Dairyland with the cows and the drinking, you get the tipsy cow. There's going to be a quiz on Madison. Just so you know, I'm right over here. I'm not sure if these things are working or not yet with COVID and the use of all kinds of people. Doesn't look like it's working. Maybe down here. Dare me to do a challenge and take a sip? Absolutely not. Well, since we started with the west view of the Capitol, and I've already shown you the south and the east view, welcome to the north side of the Capitol.
Yeah, where are we going?
Well, I mean, I don't want to... Yeah.
And now that we're on the other side of the Capitol, that would be Lake Mendota. With the sun slowly setting on a beautiful night here in Madison, something that comes to my mind right now is pizza. I have not been here in a long time, and I love New York style pizza. Let's see if it tastes how I remember it. Ian's knows how to make a good pizza pie. Well, the pizza was good. My tummy is happy. But we are losing daylight, so I'm going to quickly take you to one of the lakes, and we'll take a look along the lakeshore here in Madison. Another statue in front of the Capitol here. This is Hans Christian Hogue over here. He's not really talkative right now, but he's standing proud. If you couldn't make it out on that last sign I showed you, I am right here. So as I'm headed to get the car so I could show you the lake, and Union Terrace and some of the neat things along the lakeshore here in Madison, I found this interesting thing. I have no clue what this is back here. Right back at ya! I have no idea who he was honking at. If this is a playground for adults, I want in. So I'm just a couple blocks from the Capitol right now by Union Hall, which is part of the University of Wisconsin school system here. And I just wanted to show you the lake as I was leaving Madison. That is a beautiful shot of the sun going down over Lake Mendota here in Madison. And I'm focusing more on downtown Madison. I'll get more of Madison, Wisconsin in a future video. Okay, so I know earlier I was making fun of Bucky Badger. I called him a rodent, so before you do all the hate comments, just know, I think Bucky rocks. And here he is, all lit up. Either the Capitol shrunk, or I'm now like Godzilla. This is the coolest thing over here. It's a fire hydrant, but it looks like the Capitol building. That is going to wrap it up here in downtown Madison, Wisconsin. It was a beautiful evening to come out here, have a slice of Ian's Pizza, and check out the area. I will come back to Madison and show more of the city itself in a future video. If you like this video, do me a favor and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and share me with your friends as well. You'll see I've got a bunch of new social media icons on the screen here, so please follow me on social media. And also check out my brand new website. Keep an eye on it because I'll have a merch store and some more features, but it's MaverickHayes.com. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, please give it a thumbs up and you're going to see me on the next one.